What's up and welcome back. It's your man Jaden. You guys know the drill. You guys know how I do these weekly updates on my portfolio, my investments, and how my portfolio is looking. But stay tuned till the end of the video. I'm gonna mention something up. I'm gonna speak about this regarding X, Y, and Z. But let me get to what I was doing. So pretty much, if you guys look at my portfolio and compare it to last week, last week and this week has been a pretty bearish type market. Like it's been going pretty downhill. But today we're bouncing back. We're at the 10% compared to I believe like 2 days ago. Compared to like Friday or Monday, I was like at like a 7%. I was like, damn. Because the other day I was at a 20% return and then I came down to 10. I was like, wow, ouch. But anyways, let me stay on topic. So far in my portfolio, I have invested $7,685. And remember, for this year, I was thinking the max I was hoping to reach my goal was 6,900. And I'm at 7,600, almost 7,700. Can you believe that? It's crazy what you can do, man. Set a goal and achieve it, and you'll even surpass it, believe it or not. So anyways, my current value is $8,120 with 28 cents. I've earned $110 in dividends. Remember, dividends are when a company pays you for owning a share of them. So very, very cool. And let's go over to my activities. Your question is, what did you buy for this week? And I'm gonna tell you right now. Like I do, I invest 100 on a weekly basis. So I put 50 into 3M and 50 into NRK. I love NRK. It pays me monthly. 3M pays me quarterly, but they do pay very good dividends. They're a stable company, so it's a safe. In my opinion, it's very safe to have in your portfolio, and it's diverse. So now we're gonna go, and we're gonna put this into my dividend app. This is my dividend. My dividend. I'm talking horrible. This is my div calc. So it's pretty much telling me how much I'm making on an annual basis off my dividends, how much I'm making on a monthly, and even daily. Yes, I said daily. Like you're doing nothing and you're getting paid. Think about it like that. My goal is to make my dividends pay all my bills. So imagine that. Anyways, let's edit out what I've done. What I have done. So we're gonna go to NRK. You're gonna press on it, obviously. You're gonna put the right amount of shares that I now own. Let's go over here. Let's go to holdings. We're gonna go to NRK. 79.20003. 79.2003. And current price, I believe it was 13.16. Let me see if that's right. 79.2003. 79.2003 and 13.16. All right, perfect. Save. Let's see what it's done. So it went up $2.47. And so let's go down over here. And next one was, I believe it was 3M. So let's go to 3M. And we're gonna press. That's not how much I own. I'm gonna change this too. Everything's gonna change because I bought in when the market's on a down. It's falling right now a little bit, so it's perfect time to get in if you want to lower your DCA, which is dollar cost average. 3M, and I own 0.6091. 0.6091. I don't know if it's just me, but I have this thing where I like to own at least a share of the company. I can't own percentages of a company. So I'm definitely gonna having more than one share of 3M because 3M pays very good. Right, and that's what I believe they pay very good. I like them. So you're gonna see me buying more into 3M. Anyway, let's see the price. What's the price? My DCA 164.18. 164.18. Oh, they didn't put the one inside. 164.18. Save. And look at that. It put me up another $2 roughly. So as you can see, my annual dividend is $294.29. On a monthly basis, I'm making $24.52. And on a daily basis, I'm making 81 cents doing nothing. So that is my portfolio, guys. This is pretty damn cool. Let's look at that. Daily change. I'm up $1.90 here. Well, I'm down $1.41 here. But yeah, so let me get to what I was gonna say. So what I wanted to say was, I'm gonna stop doing these weekly videos. At least these weekly I'm on finance updates. Why? Because I feel like it's boring just to see $100 invested. You want to see more. You want to see more growth. You want to see more change. So what I'm thinking about is I'm gonna do it one time a month. So like every 4 weeks you're gonna see an update. You can see more of a growth, more difference in my portfolio, or maybe once a quarter. So it's up to you guys. You guys want to see an update quarterly, monthly, quarterly or monthly, and you guys can see the huge amount of change there is in a portfolio in between that time. The compound interest, how it works, the dividends, how they come in, and all that other stuff. I want to let you guys know that. And also expect different type of videos. Right now I'm only showing my portfolio videos, but maybe I might show some of my hobbies, some other things I do. I could name some off the top of my head. There's maybe boxing, maybe basketball, maybe when I get adventurous and I go into nature. Well, it's winter time where I live, which is around New England, in New England. But yeah, expect maybe some different type of videos. But pretty much, I'm gonna give this a little break. I want you guys to see the bigger difference there is. You guys usually want to see monthly updates or quarterly updates. It's up to you guys. But this was a pretty quick video. I just went through everything I had, the little updates that happened. But maybe you guys want to see a bigger update. You guys want to see more change. So maybe a monthly video is better or a quarterly video is better. It's up to you guys. But it's your man Jaden. Always feel free to comment below, tell me what you think, give me your opinion. Follow me on Instagram, DM if you got any questions or anything, man. So this is pretty much today's video. I want to thank you for watching, and your man Jaden's out.